The rise of the divine feminine. We hear this phrase spoken all over the women's spiritual community, but what does it actually mean and how does it happen? There has been an imbalance for hundreds, if not thousands of years, where men have dominated the world stage. The goddess went underground. The church rose to power. Women were pitted against each other and turned each other in. Women were tortured, burned, and stoned for expressing themselves. It became unsafe to be a woman. Women shrank back, dimmed their light, hid their power. And slowly, over time, women forgot the truth of who they are. Women lived from the neck up, disconnected from their bodies, and especially their lady parts. Women tried to fit into a man's world by trying to be like men, undermining their intuition and their true nature. And then the first wave of the feminist movement happened. Women started to fight for their rights. Women began to question the rules they were so used to playing by. Women said, "Enough! I will have a voice. I will reclaim my body. I will be visible." And as women began to wake from the slumber, the collective feminine began to re-stitch the fabric of sisterhood, seeing that together we are stronger, together we are more powerful. It's when we come together that we remember who we are. It's when we come together that we reclaim our individual and collective power. And so the holy trinity of sistership, circle, and feminine leadership re-emerged from the darkness. It's in circle that we remember the power of sistership, and it's in sistership that we reclaim our feminine power and rise into our leadership. The three go hand in hand. There is no separation. We cannot rise alone any longer. We need each other. It's in the interdependence that we claim our independence and free ourselves from the system that has enslaved us for thousands of years. It's time to unleash our voices and take a stand for our rights and our sacred Mother Earth.